Hi there. I has received this WL toy like 3 or 4 weeks ago. I had a lot of fun with it, but now I have a problem. There is no steering. So I turn on this one, connect the battery. So like throttle works, but the steering is not working anymore. So sometimes it just gets stuck to one side, like the left or right, and sometimes it just won't work at all, like nothing. I had it one time, it won't work, and uh, like a half hour later, I tried again and it works. I had fun with it. I had it on water, and now I want the next time I charged the battery, and now it's not working again. So my question is it guarantee from AliExpress, or do I get spare parts for the servo or the ACU? So it kind of sucks because I love this thing. It goes really fast and it steers really good. So let me know.